What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
Well, I was working last night. I'm a garbage man, and I was hanging on the back of the truck. I had the phone in my hoodie, and it just fell out. Bounced down the street, and this is what happened.
Wow. Don't worry, sir. I got you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Damn, look at that. Look how easy it's coming off. Somebody replaced this back. They didn't even put the glue on it. Wow. Look at this frame, guys. Damn! Poor iPhone. Come here, baby girl. Pew! Pew! He is lucky. It looks like its Face ID will work. We're gonna transfer Face ID to new screen. We are going to transfer his data. Screen is ready. We are about to do surgery. Surgery time. Something is holding this mainboard. Damn. Whoever fixed this back glass, they want to put more glue inside. And they ripped the flash. You wanna know how I fix this? Watch. That's it. Damn. Let me know in comment section, what should I do with this? We are going to install everything here. Nice camera. Your phone is ready, sir.
Wow.
Look at that.
Looks brand new.
Here we go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So I came here. You're the best.
Thank you.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last.